Ashton is hosting a children's firearm safety and accident prevention class. And if you didn't know, it is in Philadelphia. This class is for ages 6 and up, and each ticket includes admission for one child and parent or guardian. This class is family friendly and hands-on, and yes, your child will be able to shoot. Of course, under the guidance of certified instructors in a safe, controlled environment. Understanding how to respect and handle equipment properly to developing awareness and responsibility. Your child will walk away with valuable tools they'll be able to carry for life. We only have 6 spots left for our Sunday, May 25th class. So get your tickets now and meet Ashton and I at the Gun Range Sunday, May 25th. Information is in my caption below, and the link is in my bio so you can secure your spot now.